Alright, this is a updated bike check. um, have a Shadow Conspiracy 225 tire in the front. Haro rim, laced to a Haro Gold Spoke hub. Unsealed. I have my Primo, but haven't laced it yet. Sunday second morning forks. FSA impact headset. Fit DLR. Stem. ODI bar ends, ODI bar grips, nitros, bars, Eastern nitros. They're okay. They're 8-inch race, by the way. Fit S2 frame. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Stock fit cranks, 175. Fit PCs. Stock fit sprocket. I ordered a King Sound. Still haven't gotten that yet. KMC chain. I did my own little design on there. And I painted this whole bike. Federal Slim C-post clamp in gold. Right there. It's nice, really light. A fly bike seat post. A Demolition D-Light seat. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I like it. Odyssey Hazard Light rim. Odyssey Hazard Light cassette hub. 10 tooth. Red rim, painted myself. Odyssey Path tire. 2.10. Odyssey. SNM bottom bracket. And yeah, Sunday sticker. Primo. Fit. And dance comp. There. Yeah. Overall, the bike weighs 25 pounds. Yeah, nothing light, nothing too heavy. It's okay. I like it. So, yeah, Sean Marco Barajas, and this is my bike check.